Good morning.
Good morning.
Making some coffee. We are at Nye's Provincial Park. Just woke up here and it's a beautiful cold and cloudy day today. So that's kind of going to be, I think, the weather for the next few days. So it may kind of ruin some of our plans a little bit, but you know, it's nice having an RV. It's been a beautiful, peaceful campground. We didn't hear the train at all. That was one of the things that came up on the reviews, but you know, we're in a camper, so that helps.
That helps.
I think if you're tent camping, you're probably noticing it more. You can hear the traffic a little bit, but it's not anything major. The location being right on the water and having that view is pretty amazing.
You can't beat that.
Yeah. So, gonna have some breakfast and then we'll be off. 3-hour drive today. We're gonna stop in Wawa, Ontario, and check things out there. And then we'll head to Lake Superior Provincial Park. Get the camera going. Right here in White River, Ontario, lies the origin of a childhood icon. In 1914, a local trapper sold a female black bear cub to a soldier, who named her Winnie after Winnipeg, Manitoba. She eventually made her way to the London Zoo, where her gentle spirit enchanted a young visitor named Christopher Robin Milne. Inspired by their special bond, his father, A.A. Milne, wrote the famous Winnie the Pooh books, creating a legacy that Disney would later bring to the world.
Okay.
Alright, so what did we get?
So what we got, strawberry rhubarb and wild blueberry mousse radish, and then a nice big jar of their wild blueberry homestyle jam. Wild blueberry homestyle syrup for our pancakes.
And she was explaining that they should be harvesting the strawberries in July.
Yes.
And then blueberries in August.
Yes.
So that would be a good time to stop by. Yeah, it looks like they're selling their jam here too. That's pretty cool.
I donated blood. Mosquitoes. Oh yeah, that's us.
Is there no electricity here? There's electricity. So site 114, it's pretty close to the lake here, just like at Nye's. It's more in a forested area, so that's kind of cool. I guess the only drawback, which I knew about beforehand, was that it was near the highway, so you'll hear the highway noise.
It's a very sandy shore.
Yeah, it's just all sand.
Wow.
I think the one where we were last night was sandy too, but it was like packed sand.
Yeah.
We got a Dracula situation here. We got a couple of bites. that are still bleeding. So one little side note, I guess, about this campground, and it must be related to the heat. It's much warmer here. It's like 80 degrees.
Oh, yeah.
At nights it was 50 degrees, and I mean, very few bugs, no flies, no mosquitoes really that I could notice. Maybe a couple of gnats here and there,
Wasn't too bad.
but here the mosquitoes are a little bit worse, so something to be aware of. So the distances to the electric panels are fairly long here as well. Most of these campgrounds that we've been going to where you need to have an extension cord, otherwise you won't be able to reach the electrical post. And then I did a little experiment with the Starlink. I just wanted to see because I was curious. We've got a canopy of trees above us, and sure enough we got 0 ping after about 5 minutes, so thankfully we don't need to rely on that. We're just walking around the campground here this evening and noticed some pretty amazing sights. 253, literally on the water here. That's pretty crazy, huh? Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a rainy, dreary, cool day today. It's a relaxing day though, so
yes.
We scheduled in the middle of our trip one place here where we're just going to spend a couple of nights, and turns out we're just going to relax today. Rain on and off today, so that's why we're not doing anything. It's not because we're lazy. We are headed to the Great Lakes Shipwreck Museum, so that's about a 3-hour drive, and we'll check that out. We're actually going to go past our campground and then we have to come back to Brimley State Park, so a little bit of a drive today, but yeah. Very foggy outside. Decided we're doing pretty good. We've had electric every night, and we're gonna have electric every night, so we haven't even tested out my batteries this trip. We still have about 30% fresh water, so I'm gonna get some water on the way out just to have enough for tonight. And then we're at 25 gray and 33 black, and still doing good on propane at 92, so don't need to dump yet. We're getting close to a week. I don't think we're going to need to dump till the end of our trip, so that's been great so far. So we're just sitting at the border here waiting to get in Sault Ste. Marie at the border crossing back into the US. The drive in Canada was actually pretty nice. That stretch from Lake Superior Provincial Park down to Sault Ste. Marie is supposed to be one of the top 10 Canadian scenic drives. It was completely fogged over though, so we couldn't really see much, but I could tell that it would have been a scenic drive, so we'll just have to come back someday. Rounding the point into Michigan's Upper Peninsula, we made a stop at Whitefish Point and the Great Lakes Shipwreck Museum. Known as the Graveyard of the Lakes, this stretch of coast holds hundreds of shipwrecks. None more famous than the SS Edmund Fitzgerald. Seeing her actual bell, recovered as a memorial to the 29 men lost in 1975, was a deeply moving moment. Little break here on the rest area at the Whitefish Point, just inside. Nice little parking area right on the water. So we've had a tendency to kind of skip our lunch, so it's like 3 o'clock, so it's going to be a kind of a late lunch today, but we'll just have a late dinner. All right, Brimley State Park.
Brimley State Park. We're looking for 222.
Be careful.
You made it. Hold that red hair.
We got some pretty sights here at Brimley State Park, and we can hear the water. Lake Superior right down here, down this path. Picnic table, fire ring, and it looks like we've got some electric hookup on the other side. So I'll get that connected next. Huh?
Do you think I'm okay with just my sneakers?
Yes.
Do I need my hiking boots?
No.
Okay.
The site is sloped downward this way, but that makes our camper almost perfect in that orientation.
Right.
A little windy out there.
Look at this.
Crazy. Beautiful beach.
Oh, look at the ships.
Yeah. We're all coming into Sault Ste. Marie.